Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Wednesday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We are exactly 1 week away from our CRE Awards in Budapest. We are going to be actually launching some exciting news today on LinkedIn. So keep your eyes open. We've got a special VIP jury member guest who's a big real estate person in Hungary, but not only, also does many other things, and I think even a billionaire. So it's always good to have billionaires on the jury. Anyway, so he's joining us, confirmed, and you will see who it is very soon. So stay tuned to our exciting LinkedIn pages as well for new jury members. We have a couple other ones as well, a couple new sponsors as well. Eston just joined us, big local agency down there and consultancy doing great work, and they were with us, I think, in all the events. So
it's good to have them back on board.
Yeah. So great that they've joined us up, and looks like we'll have a couple other ones that we can actually announce tomorrow on Coffee with Craig. So we'll see how that's going. Also, 1 week straight after that is the CEE Investment Awards here in Warsaw. I was just looking at the numbers there. The girls are filling up the ballroom pretty fast. So if you want to get your corporate table or some kind of award sponsorship, please do it quickly because time is running out, but space is running out as well. So that's October 27th here in Warsaw. Another icon and flagship event. 12 years doing it, running. With actually no, depending, crisis or COVID or whatever, we've done it every year. We haven't missed 1 year yet. So it was a very good event. And straight after that, we have our retail guide, our CE retail guide, Europa Property, coming out for MIPIM, and we have extensive distribution at the fair and all the hotels in the area. So that's MIPIM Fair in Cannes. That's end of October, first day of December. So if anything you're doing to promote, if you have any retail locations, some opportunities for retailers, looking to expand, this is the magazine to be in. I think the MIPIM guys just said they got over 2,000 retailers coming, so a good big group. Yeah, big group. A lot of them want to come to Central Eastern Europe, Southeastern Europe, and also on the logistics side. I mean, I would say they're all e-coms now because they're all selling more and more online. So also they're all probably bricks and mortar and e-com companies. So really a lot happening there. Anyway, we'll take a little break. We hope you're all enjoying the sunshine here, at least if you're in Warsaw. Hopefully it's all nice throughout Central Eastern Europe. And we'll come right back after the break with Winston Norman and our editor-in-chief of Europa Property with the highlights of the news this week. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. So welcome back to our news version of your Coffee with Craig. Winston, welcome to the show. Great to see you. Yeah.
How's it going?
Good. Halfway through the week.
Yeah. Busy week it's been too.
It's incredibly busy, and I see a lot of news as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
At least a lot of words on that page.
Yeah. I'll see if I can get through them without making any mistakes.
Oh God. Okay. Let's give it a go.
We'll start with Galamco, and they've officially presented their latest office building for Warsaw, which is the new complex is called Vibe, which is going to be a complex of 2 towers down at Rondo Jasmine-Skiego. And the first building is to be 11 stories high, and it's expected to be handed over in the first quarter of 2024. And the second stage is going to be a 95 meter tower.
Wow.
There's lots of towers being built in Warsaw at the moment. And that's got a planned delivery of 2025, and that's going to be built just there next to the Warsaw Hub complex, which Glamco also developed.
Yeah. Well, you're right. There is a lot of towers, but most of them are now built. Not too many actually starting new towers. They're trying to finish them.
Glamco usually got a very good outlook on the market, and they must be pretty confident that they can fill this up.
Joram van der Tulen wouldn't build it if he didn't think he could rent it and sell it. So,
for sure. And this latest building is going to be following all Glamco's ESG strategies. So it's going to have WELL, BREEAM, Smart Score, Wired Score, and Green Standard building certificates. And it's also going to be a building which is 100% powered by clean energy.
Oh, wow.
Which is in line with the developers' energy neutrality deadline of 2025. They're generating all their own power with solar farms. They've recently announced.
Oh well, yeah. I was going to say I didn't realize Poland had that much green energy, but
So Glamco, they announced in May that they've got some solar farms in operation, and that this building will be generated. The power will be generated by these solar farms, which will be 50% of its energy.
Right. So I guess the costs will be lower as well, because
costs will be lower. Yeah.
Doesn't matter what the energy costs are because it's solar. I guess that's the same price. Yeah,
costs are lower and better for the environment.
Yeah, absolutely great. Good to see that Glamco is doing well for the environment.
Yeah, definitely.
Or has been as well. So.
Staying in Poland and moving to Wrocław, and Diviante, a cloud flight company and a provider of e-commerce solutions, is become one of the first tenants in Vestas's Infinity office development, which is under development there and set to come online in the second quarter of 2023. This building was developed by designed by AD Studio, and it's JLL as the official commercial agents for the building. And it's been a long time in development, this one, but gradually they're seeing light at the end of the tunnel, and new tenants are filling it up.
Yeah, Wrocław, good, something regional,
something regional, and a really nice city. If you've been to Wrocław, it's very, very nice, and they've got some very interesting developments going up there. And finally, for today, and staying in the office industry and moving to Romania, and in Bucharest, Eurotower, which is owned by the Cascade Group, has officially become the first LEED Zero Carbon certified building in Romania. And LEED Zero Carbon, part of the LEED Sustainable Development Certification methodology, is a very stringent program, and this was overseen by Build Green Romania, which has Razvan Nica. Obviously, he's the managing director of that building down there, and he says zero carbon certificates and systems are the next step in sustainable building, as carbon neutrality and reduction of CO2 emissions are a worldwide priority. So it's good to see that someone like Romania is getting good recognition, and they've got the same standard of developments that are going on in the western parts of Europe.
Yeah, well, even in the West, not that many net zero buildings, right? Probably anywhere.
I have no idea, but it's good that Romania is waving the flag for carbon neutrality.
Yeah. Well, it's hard to greenwash that, isn't it? If you're carbon zero, you're carbon zero. So well done there, and thank you all for watching the Coffee with Craig show, and we will see you tomorrow morning with the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.